Hi, welcome to Cameron's Cooking Show. Today we're going to be grilling grilled chicken. And we are having a remodel. That's why we're doing everything outside, because it's a huge mess out inside and a huge mess out here. Good thing we have tons of lights, because it's going to be dark in there and out here. Anyway, we are just going to talk about how don't use this with the wood burning. It gets so smoky. Sorry, neighbors, if you turn off your smoke alarms. So, this is the wood. Do not buy it. Just a trust. We're going to have to barbecue with it. It keeps flaming out flames and sparks and smoke. I hate it. Anyway, we'll be right back. Hi, guys. Or folks, welcome back to Cameron's Cooking Show. We literally just put on the grill and my dad almost got burned. Good thing he did it. So we seasoned it with avocado oil spray. It was got by Trader Joe's. Make sure you get that. And my favorite rub, the Mr. Favorite Holy Gospel barbecue rub by the Meat Church, like we did on our tri-tip. This you get an Ace. Make sure you get it. Ace is the place with the helpful hardware, folks. Anyway, we just put it on and we'll be right back. Welcome back to Cameron's Cooking Show. As you see, my dad, me, is about to flip a little chicken. By the way, here's our secret, guys. My dad actually flips them, not me. Sorry, Dad, I said that. It was all our secret. Now see, that's why I say don't do that wood. It's like wasabi on fire. Fire. Anyway, we just need to turn these on the same level. Do not go. Sorry, technical defaults. Anyway.
Difficulties.
So, what I was gonna say is, when we were about to flip them, I accidentally pressed our professional cameras to the off button on accident, which is on the bottom, and then so I quitted our video, but sorry for that. All we need to do is, can you open that? All we did was flip the burgers. You can simply see, this
chicken.
Chicken. I love making burgers, if I remember. So you see, keep it open for a bit. Anyway, so you see, that's why I don't do the wood. It almost burned my dad. It gives him tons of sparks. That's why we don't use this wood. You see, it says don't make in tents or barns. Oh wait, it says carbon monoxide has a burning charcoal inside, can kill you. It gives off carbon monoxide which has no odor. Never burn charcoal inside homes, vehicles, or tents. So that's why I don't do that. Oh, and it is nobody. I hate this wood. Anyway, we'll be right back. Hey guys, welcome back to Cameron's Cooking Show. Now we're going to take off our wonderful, delicious, and more than fantastic chickens. Now just look at those beauties. Oh, Bo Mama, or maybe Mama, or something. Anyway, oh, yo Mama. Those are good babies. Good boy, good boy, good boy. Anyway, so this one's named Llama, and this one's named Hama, and this one named Mama, and never mind. So, we all have our different names here. My wonderful, more than fantastic chickens. So, thank you so much for coming today. I know you guys are so happy that we make another cooking show. And thank you to slap this up. Goodbye. And please like and subscribe for more videos, and we'll do them as soon as possible. Thank you. Have a good day.